Is your Verizon VoLTE not working? This section addresses the primary causes. VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, allows calls over Verizon's 4G LTE network instead of older 3G. Common issues include no service bars, dropped calls, or inability to make calls in LTE areas. This often stems from network congestion, outdated device software, SIM card problems, roaming issues, or incorrect APN settings. Network congestion occurs when towers are overloaded in busy areas. Outdated device software can cause compatibility issues. SIM card problems may arise from damage or improper insertion. Roaming issues happen when outside Verizon's network. Incorrect APN settings can prevent proper connection. While VoLTE was a significant upgrade from older voice technologies, Verizon is now transitioning to 5G VoNR, or Voice over New Radio. VoLTE brought high-quality voice calls over 4G LTE networks, enabling simultaneous data usage and faster call setup. However, as 5G coverage expands nationwide, VoLTE is increasingly becoming a fallback option for older, non-5G devices. This comparison highlights the key differences between VoLTE and VoNR. VoLTE relies on LTE infrastructure with some latency limitations, while VoNR is native to 5G, offering ultra-low latency and better reliability for real-time applications. VoNR offers several advantages over VoLTE. It provides better call quality and reliability specifically on 5G networks, with ultra-low latency that enables more immersive real-time communications. Unlike VoLTE, VoNR is natively integrated with the 5G core network architecture. This diagram shows the VoNR network architecture. Mobile devices connect through 5G base stations to the 5G core network, with voice traffic handled through IMS call control. VoNR supports end-to-end voice delivery with features like EPS fallback for compatibility. As Verizon expands 5G coverage, VoLTE is becoming a fallback technology for older devices that don't support 5G. Network resources are shifting toward VoNR infrastructure, which explains why some VoLTE issues may persist during this transition period. By 2030, VoLTE usage is expected to drop significantly as VoNR dominates. While VoLTE remains relevant for current 4G devices, VoNR represents the future of voice communication with superior performance and integration with modern 5G networks. First, determine if the VoLTE issue is device-specific or network-related. This helps narrow down the troubleshooting approach. Try these steps starting with the simplest. First, restart your phone. A simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches that might be affecting VoLTE functionality. Second, check for software updates. Outdated software is a common culprit for VoLTE problems. Go to your device's settings and check for system updates. Third, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. Check for any physical damage or looseness. The SIM card is essential for VoLTE authentication. Fourth, verify your APN settings are correct for Verizon. Incorrect settings can block VoLTE functionality. Search online for the latest Verizon APN settings and compare with your device. If problems persist after trying these steps, the issue may be on Verizon's network end. Contact customer support or check Verizon's network status updates for any outages in your area. VoLTE requires a strong LTE signal to function properly. Without adequate signal strength, calls may drop or fail to connect. Signal quality is measured by several key metrics, including RSSI, RSRPU, and SINR. These determine whether your LTE signal is excellent, good, fair, or poor. Use a signal strength app to check your current signal. These apps display real-time LTE metrics like RSRP and RSRQ. For example, apps like Network Cell Info Lite show detailed signal information for both cellular and Wi-Fi connections. If your signal is weak, try moving to a location with better LTE coverage. Verizon's network is strongest in urban and suburban areas. This coverage map shows areas with the best LTE signal strength across the United States, concentrated around major cities. Network congestion can also cause VoLTE problems, especially during peak usage hours, when many people are using the network simultaneously. Finally, check Verizon's outage map online or contact customer support to see if there are any reported network issues in your specific area. When VoLTE consistently fails, Wi-Fi calling serves as an effective workaround. Unlike VoLTE, which relies on cellular LTE signals, Wi-Fi calling transmits your voice calls over your home or office Wi-Fi network. Enabling Wi-Fi calling is straightforward. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, and enable Wi-Fi calling. On iPhones, go to Settings, Phone, and turn on Wi-Fi calling for your device. This solution excels in areas with weak LTE coverage, allowing you to make and receive calls through your Wi-Fi network. However, remember that Wi-Fi calling depends on having a reliable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi drops, your calls may be interrupted. Device manufacturers like Samsung, Apple, and Google play a key role in VoLTE performance. Their devices must be compatible with Verizon's VoLTE network, and firmware updates are essential for fixing bugs. Verizon actively monitors and optimizes its network to improve VoLTE performance. They release software updates and deploy small cells to enhance coverage, especially in rural areas. Contact Verizon customer support for personalized assistance. They can diagnose your specific issue and provide solutions. Verizon continuously monitors its network infrastructure to identify and resolve VoLTE issues. Through extensive upgrades and optimizations completed by 2025, they resolved over 90% of user-reported VoLTE failures. Software updates are regularly released to compatible devices, improving VoLTE compatibility and performance. For example, firmware pushes to Samsung and Apple devices in 2024 to 2025 resolved 85% of issues within weeks. To enhance coverage in rural and challenging areas, Verizon deploys small cells. For instance, they added 4,000 new small cells in response to coverage issues in Appalachia, improving VoLTE reliability in weak LTE signal areas. For personalized assistance, contact Verizon customer support. They can diagnose specific VoLTE issues and provide tailored solutions, with 75% of complaints resolved through online troubleshooting, according to 2025 surveys. As we look to the future, experts predict that VoLTE usage will decline significantly as 5G Voice over New Radio, or VoNR, becomes the dominant technology for voice calls. VoLTE operates over 4G LTE networks, while VoNR extends voice capabilities to 5G networks, offering better quality and reliability. By 2030, analysts predict VoLTE usage will drop by 50% as 5G coverage reaches 95% nationwide. While VoLTE will remain available for older devices, its role will be transitional. Gartner forecasts that VoLTE could become obsolete by 2032, replaced entirely by cloud-based voice services. The rise of cloud-based voice services represents the future of communication. These services, powered by AI and cloud computing, provide enhanced features like voice recognition and unified messaging across all devices and networks. Cloud-based systems can integrate advanced voice recognition, making calls more intelligent and accessible. This technology leverages AI to improve call quality and add features like real-time translation. Looking back at the history of voice technology, from early systems like Audrey in the 1950s to modern AI assistants like Siri and Google Home, we see a clear progression towards more sophisticated, cloud-powered solutions. To prepare for these changes, consumers should stay informed about Verizon's network upgrades and consider adopting newer devices that support advanced voice technologies. This will ensure continued access to high-quality, reliable voice communication.